So before getting Richie, I have planned a complete area for his stay and also for play. So I have this area divided into two parts where a wall separates its stay area from the play area. So it stays in well ventilated place which also has a fan, and whenever it needs to play it comes to this place where it brings his toys and then start playing. So you should watch him playing and having fun by himself. It's really worth watching. So now after food he is in good sleep. He is only 3 month old puppy, so he really needs a very good sleep, very good food. So I'm giving him Royal Canin Maxi puppy food. So after food, once he wake up, he has his food. Now, after having his food, he have brought his toys to his play area, and he's playing by himself. So this dog is really very brilliant and very obedient. It does not harm anyone in the family. But you have to train him before itself. If you pet him too much and if you allow him inside the house to roam about, he may do some mischief thing. But now he is well trained to be outside in his room and play in his play area. So he brings his toys here and he plays by himself. And both this play area and its stay area have a window which is connected to my room. So I always keep a watch on him, whether what he is doing and whether he's sleeping, whether he's eating some unwanted stuff, or is anyone troubling him from outside. Everything I keep a watch on it. So yeah, it has been like 15 days. Doberman puppy has been home, and it's really tiresome but fun filling days, because you can see the true love in his eyes every time, even during night when I make a noise in the bed, when I get up, even if I get up to drink water or something falls down on my bed, it wakes up from outside his room and it comes to very close to the window and look inside like what is happening. Night time I do close the windows, so it just stand outside the window and see what is happening inside, whether I'm safe, everything. So yeah, it is really nice to have someone who's 100 percentage just caring about you, and I don't know to express in words, but everyone should have a Doberman puppy to feel this, whatever I'm talking now. So yeah, this is how he sits outside my window and sees inside. Whenever I stand near the window, it just keep on looking at me. Uh, the two things which you have to be very careful once you get a Doberman puppy is, uh, it have lot of stomach
Richie
issues,
boy.
so you have to make sure the
Richie
food you
boy.
feed is of high good quality and also quantity. Still 6 months it does not require that much exercise, so
Richie
whenever you
boy.
let him out to have food, just
Richie
allow him to
boy.
play for half an hour. He
Richie
himself will
boy.
play with his toys. I have bought all these toys from Amazon, like 5 toys for 700 rupees something. So it plays with its own toys, and then when it gets tired it sleeps. So till 6 months we have to be very careful with the diet plan for Doberman puppy, and also take
Armiko.
all the
Bye bye.
necessary
Bye
vaccine.
bye.
Nowadays lot of dogs are dying due to parvovirus, so you have to be very careful that it does not mingle with the street dogs and get affected. So get a Doberman puppy and feel the love.